Hi, my name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs, and on this channel we are getting creative. I'm showing you watercolor sketching techniques, I'm showing you DIY ideas, just nice stuff that can bring you joy in your free time. In today's video I am showing you 2 ideas to make Christmas cards in just no time. So if you are ready, grab your supplies and let's get started. Please consider subscribing for my channel so you will not miss any new videos and I will be able to keep creating more free tutorials for you. Now let's dive in. For today's video I have 2 cutted pieces of watercolor paper. I also have this cardboard. It's from an old sketchbook I had before, and my watercolor paper is just slightly smaller, so you could see that there will be like a brown frame around my watercolor paper. Okay, for today's design I want to have these Christmas boots, and here I want to have, actually I will make them horizontally. I will have the hanging Christmas boots, 3 of them, and I really want to make it very sketchy, so I will grab some red watercolor and make 1 brush stroke like this with the whole Bailey of my brush, and then 1 to the other side. Let's do it 1 more time. Oops, I have too many things here. So I'm literally sketching with my brush. I'm not trying to make it super realistic. Okay, I will grab more pigmented red and I will just tap here on the edges while it's still wet, so it will bleed inside and it will have this darker edge. Okay, like this. Then I will grab a little bit of Payne's gray, but with a lot of water, so it will be very transparent, and I will make 1 stroke here on the top like this, and I am not bothered if the red bleeds in my gray part, just like this. Okay, so it's like you are making a rough rectangular shape. Okay, that's for the watercolor here. I actually want to make a few red splatters, so let me just fill my brush and do these splatters here. Okay, and for the other one I want to make the Christmas ornaments, and I want to have 3 circles, and I will just make 1 stroke like this, 1 smaller one, and 1 more here. I'm not trying to finish the whole circle. Then I will grab again very transparent Payne's gray, and I will finish the circle on the top because I touched my red. Now my Payne's gray has a little bit of rose Okay, just like this. I will take some red again to make these splatters. Okay, that's the first step. I will wait for this to dry and I will continue with the next step. Okay, now that these are dry, I want to add a little bit of shiny touch. I was gifted these watercolors that are metallic and they are super nice. So I am grabbing some of them and I will add it to my Christmas ornaments, just like this. Okay, and I can do the same for my boots. And I'm doing it very rough, so there are spaces where some of my metallic watercolor is more concentrated and there are some places where it's more transparent. Okay, just like this. I will wash my brush, make sure this is dry before I do a little bit of line work. Okay, now that this is dry, I am using my Pigma Micron number 05 to just sketch a few lines. So I'm really going very sketchy. I am making like a net around my watercolor, and my paper is cold press, so that's why you can hear me, or yeah, you can hear the pen going so rough. Then I am making a few vertical lines to get this hanging part on my sketch. All right, and then let's just make our boots. And if you are feeling stuck, you can definitely check my Patreon for some templates that you can use, some outlines to help you start with these cards, so you can make something nice for this Christmas. Okay. And then let's hang them as well here to the top of our illustration, or yeah, sketch. So let me just add, I am using 𝐬𝐻 stick, but if you have another glue it will also do the job. Okay, I will try to put really until the edge. And then put it here. So now I can use this to just make sure it will really stay fixed. Okay, like this is my first one, and let's do the second one as well. Okay, let's see if this is done. And it's me. There's always something I can add. So I will grab some bleed-proof white and I will make a few splatters. It will look like there is snow. Let me just... So I try to make it on top of my boots, just like this. It's like there is snow raining, so snowing. Okay, now I feel like these are completely done and finished. Let me just clean a little bit here. So I am quite happy with these two. If you need the outlines, just check out my Patreon. I will prepare the templates that you can use directly and you know, just start sketching and painting and experimenting. Maybe try adding different colors, and maybe you can add a little bit of decoration to the ornaments and the boots. Just get creative, and I hope I am here to help you. So if you have questions, always send them to me. Comment below to tell me which one is your favorite, the boots or the ornaments. That was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for staying until the end. Please consider subscribing for my channel so I can keep making videos and tutorials for you, and you know, to give you more ideas of how to get creative. See you next time. Bye.